Okay, you've got a little worksheet here of outstanding balance. There's 3 questions we're going to do. I think we'll just do the first question here and make one video. It says Kevin takes out a loan to pay for his new car. He repays the loan by means of monthly payments. So we're given the X value over a period of 6 years, starting 1 month after granting the loan. Well, that's good, so we can use the formula. The interest rate is 18% per annum compounded monthly. Calculate the purchase price of the new car. So let's take a look at this. What did they do? Well, we want the purchase price is what he has to take the loan out for. So that's why it's P equals. We've got the 3,000 Rand a month. And it says 6 years, so they went 6 times 12, and that's how they got the 72. So they're just using the present value formula. And they put 0.18 over 12 in there, 0.18 over 12. So when you take out a loan, that is the purchase value. So it's kind of trying to figure out what the question's all about. The purchase value is the loan that you've got to take out to buy the car. You just put those numbers in. That's where X, that's where I goes, and that's where 6 times 12, that's where N goes. And you get an answer. And I think, did they say round it off to the nearest Rand? I don't know. I don't see that. Well, I would do it to the nearest 100 to the cents as well. But that's the purchase price. Calculate the balance owing after the 20th payment. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. You can just do it this way, where I'm going to do the second way first. In a way, this is kind of nice because you really think about what's going on. Now, the bank would be getting this interest on the loan. If you didn't make any payments, you would owe 20 months worth of interest like this, including 1 point. There's the interest, and then multiplying by 1. That would be the total thing that the loan would grow to after 20 payments. But this is the future value thing of how much money you would accumulate by putting in 3,000 for 20 payments. And if you subtract, you get how much you still owe on the loan. The other way is to go 72 minus 20. There's 52 payments left. If you put the number of payments that you have left and just put it into the present value formula, you get, hey, this time the questions say you get exactly the same answer. So I don't know, I used to think, always go with this easy way, but sometimes this way works out even better. But it's okay to be able to do it both ways. So that's what we're going to look at. Calculate the outstanding balance after the 60th payment. So let's look at the 2 ways. Instead of 72, you subtract 60 from it. You've got minus 12, and you put everything in there, and you get 32,722 Rand. See, there's where X goes. There's 0.18 over 12. That is 0.15, I think. The other way to do it is to grow the loan for 60 time periods. This is really 0.18 over 12 in your calculator. I think it's 0.15. Grow it for 60 periods. That's what the bank would want if you weren't paying anything off. But here's the future value of paying off when you have 60 payments. With this amount of money, this is what it grows to. And the difference is what you owe. Hey, look, you get almost exactly the same answer, only 1 cent different. Sometimes the difference can be quite a bit. Well, not a bit, not so much, but it can be a real difference. Okay, so there's question 1.